Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your SOUNDCORE Dot 3i with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that click pair new device and now open the charging case. At the bottom of the charging case we have this connectional button, so press and hold it until this light starts flashing. Okay, if it stopped flashing, you should just release your finger and press and hold it again. And you know, right here we have a quick flashing. So we should see it as the device list, and right here we have it. Just click on it and then click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.